In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a PDF into Canva. If you've ever wanted to bring an existing document into Canva so you can give it a fresh look, update text, or reuse graphics, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in a clear, reliable way. We'll move slowly and focus on what to click, what to expect, and a few helpful tips to make the process smooth. Start by opening your browser and going to canva.com. Log into your account using your regular credentials. Take a second to confirm you're signed into the right workspace if you use more than one, and make sure your internet connection is stable. A strong connection helps the upload and conversion complete without interruption. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and find the Uploads option. This is your central place in Canva for bringing in files from your computer. Click Uploads to open the panel. You should see an Upload Files button inside this section. That's what we'll use in a moment. Now choose the PDF you want to import. You can do this in two simple ways. Click Upload Files, navigate to the folder on your computer, and select your PDF. Or, if it's easier, drag the PDF file directly from your desktop or file manager into the Uploads panel. Both methods do the same thing, so pick whichever feels more convenient. Before you upload, it's a good idea to quickly check the file name and confirm it's the correct PDF, especially if you have multiple versions. After you add the file, wait for the import to finish. You'll see an upload indicator while Canva processes the PDF. The time this takes can vary, depending on your file's size, the number of pages, and your connection speed. While it's processing, avoid refreshing or closing the tab. If your PDF is large or image-heavy, give it an extra moment to complete. When the import is done, Canva converts your PDF into editable pages. That means text boxes, images, and shapes are detected and placed on separate layers wherever possible. Be aware that very complex layouts, special fonts, or certain graphic effects may not convert perfectly. Canva will substitute unavailable fonts with the closest match, and some elements might flatten into images if they can't be fully recognized. That's normal and expected with PDF conversions. And that's it. You've opened Canva, gone to Uploads, selected your PDF, and waited for the import so Canva could convert it into editable pages. You're now ready to continue working with your content inside Canva's editor.